Holy crap, the Lakers got Anthony Davis? Welcome to another episode of Ask Elwood. My name is Elwood, and I'm here to answer your questions from the internet. This first question comes from Vietnamwin95 on Instagram, and he asks, how do you clean the stitching on most midsoles? So when it comes to cleaning really dirty midsoles, sometimes the dirt and debris tend to get stuck in between the stitching, as you can see here on these Air Forces. So when you use a regular sized brush, it's kind of hard to get in between the small tight crevices. So one tip I like to do is getting a used toothbrush. This one's my sister's. So what I like to do is applying the solution directly onto the toothbrush and kind of going at the stitching, making sure you go at different angles. Think of it as like brushing your teeth. And then afterwards, you can get a microfiber towel and wipe it down just to make sure you get all the dirt. So this next question comes from Didi Santabria on Instagram, and she asks, I have the Suede kit, but I don't know how to use it properly. So our Suede kit is multifunctional. It comes with a Suede brush and a Suede eraser, and this is how you use it. I happen to be wearing some Suede shoes right now, so I'll be using these to demonstrate. So you can use the Suede kit to clean off any stains or watermarks that are on the Suede or nubuck. So first you want to take the brush and dry brush the shoe, just getting out any loose dirt. Second, you want to use the eraser to literally erase the stains. And then after that, you would take the brush again to take off any loose eraser shavings. Another thing our Suede kit's really good for is bringing back the natural nap of the Suede and make Suede hairy again. So what tends to happen to Suede when it gets wet, whether from a spill or stepping in a puddle or even cleaning your own shoes, is that the Suede tends to mat down and then you lose that buttery goodness that we like from Suede. So to bring that back, you would need the Suede eraser and pretty much just rub it back and forth. Our Suede eraser is very grippy, so it's really good at pulling the Suede back and forth. And as you rub it, you can see the Suede lift up too. And you can keep doing it until you get it as buttery as you want. Then afterwards, you would get a dry brush and brush off any excess eraser shavings. And then you should be good to go. This next question comes from BM Borabale on Instagram, and he asks, what's the best way to clean yellow boosts? I made my Pharrell NMD boosts yellow in mud. So the boost material is really absorbent to stains. Leaving them exposed long enough to dirt can make it yellow over time, and it turns like a brownish yellow color. And unfortunately, there's nothing you can do to clean the yellow off. So to prevent any yellowing, we like to recommend our quick wipes, and I like to wipe down the boost after every wear, just so the dirt doesn't collect on it over time, and that'll prevent any yellowing. This next question comes from Mig Lopez on Instagram, and he asks, I went to Smoke and Grooves and got my shattered backboards all dusty. What can I do to bring them back, or are they done? So whenever you're at a music festival like Smoke and Grooves or Coachella, you're gonna be outside and your shoes are gonna get dusty. So for me personally, I like to wear any black or leather shoes just because they're easier to clean up. But in the event that you wore some heaters to the festival, this is what I would do. First step is to take out the laces, and then I would dry brush the shoe entirely. You just want as much dust off as possible. And second, I would take the premium brush with some solution in water and then kind of clean the entire shoe all at once. And after that, I would use as much microfiber towels as you need to clean up the shoes, just because you don't want any leftover dirt on there. And that wraps up this episode of Ask Elwood. My name is Elwood, and if you thought this video was helpful, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. But if you have any questions for me, just leave a comment below and I'll answer it in the next episode.